All right, welcome back to yet another tips and tricks on Inilabs school management system, and this time around we are going to learn how to change the version of Inilabs school management system that I have here, which is version 3.4. We are going to see how to change this verse number before we start talking of these labels you are seeing around here in Inilabs school management system. And as we keep on going, we keep on going deeper and deeper, diving into so many things on how to change some certain features of Inilabs school management system to suit your business or your school. So let's go to changing the verse number of Inilabs school management system. So I'll go back to my folder, then I'll go to config, then let's look for initconfig.php. so open initconfig.php, and then we have the version of Inilabs school management here that you can change. So I'm going to change it to version 3.7. yes, so we save it here, then close, then refresh Inilabs school management system, and then you have your version being as 3.7 as your new version of what Inilabs school management system. So as you can see, we have version 3.7 as our new version of Inilabs school management system. So let's take it back to version 3.4, and then we save and then refresh our page, and then that will take us back to Inilabs 3.4. so we are done changing the version of Inilabs school management system. And please, if you like my tutorial, do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more on your way.